The reason you're hearing all about Clubhouse is because it's actually that good. It is such a wonderful platform if you are working on improving your English. So in this video, I'm going to quickly give you the most helpful information about what's so great about Clubhouse and why everyone's on it, how you can get on Clubhouse, and how you can use Clubhouse to improve your English. Hello, this is Melissa with Medical English Melissa. I am a nurse practitioner and a midwife from the United States, and I'm a TEFL certified English teacher, and I teach medical English. And I'm here today to tell you about the brand new app, Clubhouse, and how you can use it to improve your English for free, like completely free. So quickly, what is Clubhouse? Clubhouse is a brand new audio-only social media platform. So it doesn't have any ability to text, or you don't have any ability to text, and you don't have any access to video. It's completely voice-based, which is wonderful when you are working on your speaking and listening skills in English. So a really common struggle I see with English learners is that they want to have an English-speaking partner and they can't find one. They want to have an English-speaking partner who speaks English at a more advanced level than them, or who speaks English fluently, and they really struggle to find someone because the people who speak English fluently are wanting to learn other things and they're not wanting to practice their English because they already speak English. And the thing that is great about Clubhouse is it gives you something to talk about. It gives you access to people who speak English fluently, and also it gives you something to talk about. So you can listen in, or you could have an actual conversation on this app, and you can choose how you want to do that. You can do what you feel comfortable with. There's the ability to choose a topic to talk about and have people join, or see what someone's talking about and join that conversation. And again, you can choose just to listen in, and you can choose to turn on your mic and chime in, to speak up and to take part in the conversation. And what's so wonderful about this is that there is so much opportunity for you to have something in common with someone whom you want to learn English from. So you can talk about things besides just speaking English. You can choose something like medical issues or technology, or maybe you have a certain kind of music that you share a love for. So the downside about Clubhouse, you have to have an iPhone and it's invitation only right now. And so there really isn't an option if you have an Android. They are working on that. I have 3 invites only right now, and I'm going to give them away to people. I'll tell you how at the end. And I would give away more if I had more, but I really only have 3. So I'll tell you about that in a moment. But first, I'm going to tell you how you can try to get on your own. As much as I'd love you to email me, I realize that I'm not going to have enough spots for everyone, and so this is what you can try and do, and this is how I got on. First, download the app. It looks like this. And create a username and password and register it with your phone and sign up. Then any of your friends that have your phone number in their phone see that you're on the wait list to join. And so if you have a friend that's already in and they have an invitation to give away, they can invite you on the spot. And if that doesn't work, you can do what I did. And I asked my friends on social media. So I created a post on social media on my Instagram stories, and I said, hey, does anyone have an extra Clubhouse invite laying around? And a few people did. And so I got invited onto Clubhouse. And then I was in turn able to invite some of my friends who are hoping to get on, and everyone pays it forward. So that's what I'm doing at the end of this video. I'm taking what I have and I'm hoping to pay it forward to someone who's going to use it to learn English. So now you know why everyone loves Clubhouse, you've downloaded the app, you've gotten an invitation, and you're on Clubhouse. So let's talk about how you can use this to improve your English. So here is one of the first things you'll see. It's where you choose your interest. Mine looks different because I've already selected mine, and the app will base what rooms it suggests for you to join based on your interests. So choose things that you want to practice speaking about in English, or things that you have knowledge about that you would want to share with English speakers. And now I'm going to show you what the home screen looks like. So the home screen is based on my interests. And so here you will see there are a lot of language rooms that I can join. So here's one right here. And right at this time, I got my membership accepted to join a language club. So that's what you're seeing right there. And so now I'll show you my profile. And my profile at the bottom, it shows the clubs I joined, and then it shows that it's connected to my social media, and the top right is the settings, and that's where you can make changes. So if I click on that, there we go. You can see 37 interests and connect to Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so this is where you can do things. Now I'm going to show you how to start a room. Click the green button. And if you want, you can choose a topic at the top right corner. So in this case, I'm choosing Medical English Conversations. And once I choose a topic, then I can choose who I want to invite or who I want to show it to as a possible audience. So everyone, people in my network, closed, or the clubs. I'm going to choose open. And this is what it looks like. And now my friend Katie's going to join me, and she already has her hand raised. And this is how people decide when they want to talk. They raise their hand. So I let her speak by clicking her mic, and now she's talking. And this is where it's fun. Someone else that I've never met before who was interested in medical English, he's a medical doctor in Turkey, joined in, and so did someone else. I got his permission to post this online. But this wasn't even meant for actual conversation. I was just doing it to film for you guys on YouTube, and people saw medical English and they were interested, and so they joined to listen in. And in this case, he wanted to speak too, so he raised his hand, and then I turned on his mic, and he was able to join the conversation, and we talked. That's what's happening right here. And this is why this is such an amazing app. We have 4 people with a shared interest discussing something with each other from all different parts of the world. And it's a really simple, easy app to use. And as soon as you get on it and start playing around with it, you'll figure it out really easily. And that's how it works. Once you're on there, you can find me. We can start having conversations about medical English. My username is this right here. And I hope to see you on there. Message me if you have any questions, and I will see you very soon in my next video, Medical English 5-Minute Clinic. This time I am talking about vital signs and the verbs and language around talking about vital signs. So if you're interested in how to talk about vital signs when you're giving report or rounding on a patient, this next video is definitely for you. So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. And yes, I'm going to give out 3 invitations to Clubhouse. I really wish I could invite everyone. I can't. They're limiting how many invites they give out right now. But the first 3 people to subscribe to the channel and then to email me, and my email is in the description, will get invites. And if you hear this later, I will have hopefully more invites to give out, so you can message me. And if I have any to give out, I will give them to you. Like I said, I wish I had more. They're limiting how many they give out. If you want to get in touch with me, you can reach me on all of these social media options right here, or you can reach me on my website. And I'd be happy to answer questions for you and tell you what I know. I will see you in the next video.